Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 1st September 2021 in shift 2. So that means this question came on this year only. So let us see this question first. Question says a glass tumbler having inner depth of 17.5 centimeter. That means if we'll visualize this question, you have been given a glass tumbler just like this, whose length is 17.5 centimeter. Okay, is kept on a table. A student starts pouring water of refractive index 4/3 into it while looking at the surface of the water. So that means a student is looking from the above and it is pouring water into this tumbler of refractive index 4/3. Okay, so when he feels that the tumbler is half filled, that means if he feels as if this tumbler is half filled, he's pouring the water and at certain depth he may fill the water. So let this depth be h, at which he feels this it is half filled. So the students from the above will feel as if it is half filled. So if it is half filled, that means this length as well as this length is equal. So if h is a suppose h is a depth at which depth of the water column poured by this student, at which he feels this he feels as if it is half filled. So that means if it is half filled, so this length and this length must be equal. The length which is appeared to him from the above must be equal to the length of the air column. So this length we already know that it is 17.5 minus h. So what is the length which appeared to him? So this depth of the water column appeared to be raised to him. So that means we already know the equation in which the refractive index of any medium must be equal to real depth by apparent depth. Okay, so that means if a person sees a bottom from the above, this h depth which he sees, which is the actual depth, must be seen above. So that means it appeared to be shallower. So that means so this apparent depth is the depth which appeared to a person from above. So this apparent depth must be equal to real depth by mu. We know that real depth of this water column is h, and what is refractive index of water? Let mu is the refractive index of water, which is 4/3. So it is 4/3. So this is the actual depth of the water filled that is appeared to a person, that is appeared to a student who is seeing it from the above. This depth has to be equal to the depth of the water column, because to him it appears it is half filled. So this length has to be equal to this length, then only he will see as if it is half filled. Okay, so that means this 3h by 4 length must be equal to 17.5 minus h. So this will go over there. So eventually we'll be getting as, so this expression can be written as, it will go over there. So 3h by 4 plus h must be equal to 17.5. So we'll further solve it. You will be getting as 7h by 4. 7h by 4 must be equal to 17.5. So h is equal to 4 times of 17.5 divided by 7. So h is equivalent to 70 by 7. So that means if this depth is 10 centimeter, okay, so this depth will be appeared raised to him, to a student which is seeing it from the above. So this depth must be equal to 3/4 of 10 centimeter. So this 3/4 of 10 centimeter must be equal to 17.5. So 17.5 minus h. So then only the person from the above will feel as if it is half filled. For half filled, the depth which is appeared to him must be equal to the depth, must be equal to the length of the air column. Okay, so I hope, so that means the answer is second option. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.